Okay, let's talk about the common Jmeter error that we see. So, if you see my screen, this is the error that you commonly get while you try to record anything using Jmeter at the beginning. So, I'm going to show you how do you fix this issue, which is because of invalid certificate from the Jmeter. So, I've just stopped recording from Jmeter. This is the issue that you see. So now go into the installation folder of Jmeter. Look for, go inside the bin folder, inside the installation folder. Look for the Apache Jmeter temporary.ca file. Double click on it, then say install. And say current user, browse into, and two places you have to make sure you put this file. One is trusted root certificate authorities. So just select that, say finish, and wait for the pop-up to come up. It is installing, say yes here. Okay, install certificate again, current certificate, current user, then browse, go inside trusted publishers. Okay, next, finish, and again put inside intermediate certification authorities. Next, finish. Okay, we are good to go. Now let's restart my Jmeter. So I just restart Jmeter and I close this file, reopen it again. Okay, opening the most recent one that I have used in Jmeter. So go inside the test script recorder, start it, and then try invoking your equipment. Now your issue is resolved. Thanks for watching.